how are you going to be part of the community you're in and make it so that everybody gets taken care of.
This is really my mother's and my family's church. From back in the day, it belongs to everybody. And the church has been falling down for a while, so now we're here to try to build it back up and bring it back to its original state.
My church, and I want to help out. The things they doing, I was trying to do by myself, but I couldn't do it by myself.
So this is my 4th year doing the mission trip. I come back every single year because our church just builds so much of a community with every new church we come into, and I love meeting the people, and whether it's DC or New York, and it's just always so much fun and so gratifying.
I love seeing the transformation that happens when teenagers are put in a situation where they can make a difference, and having something tangible where you can actually build something, paint something, clean something, see the results of the work that you're doing, and also see the impact that you're having on the people that you're helping changes their lives, and those changes are permanent and create opportunities for them to do other things in the world that they wouldn't be able to do otherwise.
Because of years, we had water damage in our church, and it messed up our underfloor.
Because when I was 15 years old, I went on a mission trip, and I met a guy named Jesse, and he couldn't take care of his house after Hurricane Hugo, so we fixed it. And he taught me how to pray, and he taught me how to be someone who took care of other people, and I'm just passing that forward. Nothing makes me happier in the world than seeing people loving one another.